Hello, everyone. We're still here at day 3 of SEMA on Thursday. We're here with Rick at the Novus and Pro Color booth. Rick, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Fantastic. Having a great day at the SEMA Show floor. We only have 1 hour left here on the show floor today and then back open tomorrow. But tell me, how has it gone for you guys over here at the Pro Color Novus?
It's been a great reception today. Crowd's been good. We've had a lot of inquiries and met a lot of great people here.
Awesome. Yeah, there's a lot of great people walking the show floor. Now, tell me, what are you guys here to do at SEMA? What's the goal this year, and how far do you guys go back with SEMA? What's the relationship?
This is our second year with SEMA. Our goal here is to bring brand awareness to both of our franchising brands and our product line.
Absolutely. So tell us about your brand.
Well, our Novus brand we're enjoying our 50th year in business. So great. We invented the windshield repair process, which is outstanding, saved a lot of people money throughout the years, and especially as the glass prices have risen, it's helped cut down on claims.
Absolutely. I know you have mobile repair units in Canada. We see some Novus mobile repair units driving around. We just did a story with you guys actually up in Canada on that. So we know a lot. We're very familiar with the brand, but very neat stuff. So tell me, what challenges are you addressing in the industry right now? We know there's a lot of stuff happening, especially at the shop level. There's a lot of conversation. There's a lot of challenges we're dealing with. So tell me how Novus kind of helps with everything that's going on right now in the collision center floor.
We are providing solutions, especially in the ADAS realm. Recalibrations are a huge topic. That's been probably our largest question we get from people coming around, whether they're dealing in tires even, just what challenges we run into. And it's great to share that knowledge with everyone.
Absolutely, I love it. So we have one more day here at SEMA. Are you just going to plan to do the same thing tomorrow, just connect, network, bring some more brand awareness around?
Absolutely, yeah. Looking forward to meeting more people. We've had people from Chile, from Canada, which is great for us. But yeah, we've met a lot of great people from all over the world.
Awesome, I love it. And it's hard to miss this booth with the giant spinning Pro Color logo up here. We've also got a big Novus van. So thank you so much, Rick, today. Really appreciate chatting with you, and we'll take another few clips around the booth. But thank you so much for your time.
Right,
appreciate it.
you.
Have a great rest of SEMA.